Hello guys, how are you? Today we will discuss about adaptive banner ad. Basically, you earn money from ads. The ads are different types like interstitial ad, banner ad, native ads. We will discuss as series wise and implement these ads. Today we discuss about banner ads and especially adaptive banner. Let's start a new project. Adaptive banner ads. Now add the Google Play Ads library in dependencies. Here is website of Android developers. So we need repository of Google and dependency of Google Play services 19.4.0. Now dependency is added. Now go to XML. It will be of bottom layout. Easily we and here we use only aligned pen and bottom to this will get bottom side. Now go to Java file and here we need add view and frame layout with add container view, and here we use mobile ads dot initialize and okay, and another initialize ads. Create the method. Mobile ads dot initialize get application context, and here view on initialize complete listener, and here add container view equal to find view by id dot add view container, and okay, add view dot set add unit id, and here is our id get string r dot string dot adaptive add unit id. Okay, create in string. Here is our string, so I have created this. Here is test id of banner ad. Copy it. I will provide you in description and paste. Our id is initialized. Next, load banner method. In load banner method, we use add request new add request dot builder. Okay, add request dot builder dot add test device add request dot device id emulator. This is testing device dot bit. Okay, error is moved. Now add size equal to get add size. Now we create a method get add size, and in get add size we use display equal to get activity. So we get window manager dot get default display, and display matrices out matrix equal to new display matrices display dot get matrix out matrix. Float width pixel equal to out matrix dot width pixel. Float density equal to out matrix dot density. Int add width equal to width pixel divided by density. Okay, now return add size dot get current orientation anchor adaptive banner add size. In this get application context comma add width. Okay, initialize it into and this one. Okay, now go to add size, or add size is complete. Now go to load balance. Add view dot add size, set add size, and this add size. Okay, and then add view dot load add, and this is add request. Uses permission internet Gradle, and here write multi-text enabled true. Now sync the project and Google services in build.gradle in dependency module. Sync now.